Welcome to the Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services channel where we turn financial knowledge into power. Today, we're diving into an important topic, SSI eligibility for 2025. If you or someone you care about is facing financial challenges due to age or disability, this video could be a turning point. Let's start with the basics. SSI stands for Supplemental Security Income, a federal program designed to provide monthly payments to individuals who have limited income and resources. This support is available for those who are 65 or older, as well as for individuals who are blind or disabled. So, who qualifies for SSI in 2025? To be eligible, you must meet the following criteria. You need to be 65 or older, or be blind or disabled. Your income must be limited specifically, less than $987 per month for individuals. Additionally, your resources should typically be less than $2,000 in assets. It's also essential to be a U.S. citizen or a qualifying non-citizen and to reside in one of the 50 states, D.C., or the Northern Mariana Islands. Now, let's talk about the benefits. In 2025, the maximum monthly SSI benefit is $967 for individuals and $1,450 for couples. This financial assistance can make a significant difference in your quality of life. When it comes to what counts as income and resources, it's important to understand the details. Income includes wages, Social Security benefits, pensions, and even free food or shelter. Resources encompass cash, bank accounts, stocks, and property. Although your home and car are generally excluded from this calculation, if you're wondering how to apply for SSI, the process is straightforward. You can apply online at ssa.gov, by phone, or in person at your local Social Security office. Just be prepared to provide financial records, medical documentation, and proof of age or disability. Navigating the SSI application process can be overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Let Mannoe Income Tax and Multi-Services assist you every step of the way. Feel free to call us at 305-469-1209 or visit mannoetax.com for expert guidance tailored to your needs. If this video has helped you gain a clearer understanding of SSI eligibility, we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this information with your community. Remember, financial empowerment starts with knowledge and we're here to deliver it. Thank you for joining us today.